All right, health in a handbasket with Kelly Mueller now from the American Diabetes Association. We have some wonderful barbecue/grilling scents wafting through the studio here.
Smells so good.
Yeah, this week we are talking about all the stuff you can do on a grill.
Yeah, and how to keep it healthy. And I was telling you, I went to Wegmans over the weekend, and I was looking at different barbecue sauces. Some of them have as much sugar as like jams or preserves or anything like that. I was pretty surprised.
Yeah, well, and it gets into a lot of carbs. And really, how many times have you ever looked at the labels on it? It's one of those things that you just think, oh, here's the sauce, and you forget to count it as part of your carb count or as part of your meal plan. But it makes a big difference. So this is a low sugar. This is one of the lower carb ones, but it has 14 grams of carbs for this amount. That's about 2 tablespoons. So what do you do? You know, and you think this isn't a ton of sauce.
That's got to go all over your whole
piece,
the whole selection of whatever you're making, ribs or especially ribs, because those they take up a lot of room.
Right. So how do you do it? You take one of the ways that you can do it is you could take it and you could put it on your plate and then dip your fork in it and then have
after
a bite.
You've already cooked it. Yeah.
Yeah. So trying to still get that flavor, still pack it in because it's delicious and we all like that flavor, but how can you do it with just getting a little bit less of the carbs? Yeah. The other thing is to use rubs and to use that dry rub on a piece of meat, and then you grill it and it still gets that really good flavor. And I brought in some different ones. These are, you can get a great selection around. This one is coffee and garlic.
Look at that one. Coffee and garlic, huh?
Yeah. So real strong flavor, you know. And these, you get them pre-done so you don't have to have this huge elaborate spice rack. You can pick up a rub. Those are the Penzeys spices, the store you can get those
Do you know
online.
how do you put on a rub? Do you just kind of throw it on a plate and then just dip your pieces in like that, or you like toss it on?
No, you do it before you grill, right?
You do it before you grill. So you would pat the meat down a little bit, and then you just kind of rub it in. You just kind of put it on, and then
the skin.
And you put it right on your grill.
One of my friends on Facebook actually made a point. He was very specific. He wanted people not to confuse grilling and barbecuing.
We were just talking about that.
Really?
Yeah. I don't know the official difference.
There's a difference?
Well, according to him,
where you're from.
Yeah, I guess according to him, barbecuing is where you put something in a smoker, you let it sit for 6 hours. It's very time intensive, something that he likes to do.
Yeah.
And then grilling is where you just throw on the grill and just toss something on. So he does not consider that barbecue.
I did not know that.
So.
But then if you go to a barbecue, I mean, you got to bring your stuff. You got to you got to be ready for your food and have it. And there's also those low-fat sausages, the turkey sausage or the chicken sausage.
Those are good.
Yeah,
I've had some of them, and they are very good. I've had one.
We just had it last night,
carries
actually.
One. It's a chipotle lime is my absolute favorite.
Okay.
Wegmans chipotle lime.
Yep.
It's chicken sausage. It's excellent.
Yep. Right. And you can get that same fun outdoor flavor in it, but I mean a lot less fat and a lot less carbs for the whole thing.
And I remember just a few weeks ago you were here talking about coleslaw and how to take away some of the calories and sugar from that, and so that would go perfectly with something like this.
Yeah, and we have all of these available, diabetes.org/recipes or on Facebook. All of the different recipes are on your site too, and you can go back. I feel like we've put together a great spread over the last couple of months of this. You could take it take the bean salad.
If we were to take what you've put up there and had a picnic with it, I don't think anyone would ever walk away feeling like, I'm still hungry. I'm still hungry.
No.
Not with all the things that you've brought us. I mean, the strawberries and the angel food cake. I mean, there's just ways to do things that are still as tasty.
Keep a lot of flavor in it.
Yeah. So are you guys coming down? Tour de Cure was just a couple weeks ago. Everything kind of settled out after that, which is a wonderful event, but the planning must have been intense.
Yeah, it was. I mean, we have staff that work on it for a full year, and they've already started. They already have the date for 2015. So it, no rest. It just keeps going, and everybody just keeps moving. So it's a great time in the community, and you
now you can kick back and go to a barbecue. How about that?
That's right.
Go to your own barbecue. And Kelly will be at the grill. She'll be barbecuing.
She'll be barbecuing at the
Thanks, Kelly. We appreciate it.